Smooth. What's your name? Smooth. Smooth?
Smooth.
Yeah. What's your name? Smooth.
What kind of name is that?
Smooth. What's your name? Smooth.
Schmo.
That's British accent, motherfucker. Shoot, I forgot. We need to buy more hot dogs.
You need more hot dogs. Wait, you already sold all of it?
Not all of it, but I have some left in the fridge.
We'll have
Pam, 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 up.
well, the good thing is that we still have some left.
Yeah,
If we
what's
didn't, then
Hmm. Hmm. But,
you finish your coffee?
you want?
No. Oh, you know what I forgot to buy? Razor.
My God, you always buy a razor, no?
Well, you didn't buy no um, blades, huh? You don't have the blades?
What is? How many? One.
It's a video. How I use chismosa.
I'm not just my
What?
my friend right here always call me chismosa. He always call me chismosa.
My
I think you don't
baby.
know what is the meaning of chismosa. What is chismosa?
Yeah,
Oh my God, I'm full.
thought a cheese mess. But it's none of your. I come.
Yeah, none of your business.
Yes. Oh.
Oh, we need to buy one more chair. Oh,
You said there were.
flowers for you. Where?
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
You
My,
want one?
thank you, my.
You want one?
Yeah.
Give me money. It's only 10 pesos. No, that's only 5. This one,
I have 5 pesos.
just pesos.
Yes.
You need to
Yes.
buy
Yes. How you say?
Just.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. It's like saying yes. Yes. Yeah. Oh my god. How you say it again?
Just.
Yes. Oh my god. Uh, I think Japanese is easier now.
Easier.
Ohio.
You're right.
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. Baby, you're
Heavy.
my leg is gonna
Am
give.
I heavy?
If my leg is gonna give up, you're gonna.
So you're saying that I'm fat?
No, you're just heavy for my leg.
Tanong nga di.
I have skinny leg.
No customer, so
No
later
customer.
we're gonna do a barbecue. This morning we're not.
Later.
I need to give money for his yeah.
For my allowance.
I need to give
Ow.
money for his allowance because this guy right